Mucirithania munene guku bururi-ini Martha Koome ni arikitie kuruguria mutambo uri guteithiriria kuthikiriria maciira na ningi kuiga fairo iria ciagiriire na njira ya kiriu no uria uikaine ta e-filing. Hindi ya uruguria uyu Martha Koome ni atariria ati ino ni njira imwe ya gutigirira ati maciira maingi na maria makoragwo makiura na njira itoikaine kana njira ya kiriga ni makorwo makiigwo uria kwagiriire guku akiuga ati kana mutambo uyu ni uguteithiriria ati gutigirira ati mitongoro minene ya raini iria yaragwo hindi ya guthikiriria maciira ni akorwo ikihuahua aritio ri kauntiini ya Kisumu na rirugite ati ni anyititie muthuri ro hamwe na thirikari gutigirira ati ni mokeria sekta ya ucirithania guku bururi-ini.
Upataji wake wa umuhimu sana, haki ni nguzo kwetu. Upataji wake
no longer will our people be hindered by geographical constraints or the burden of time-consuming journeys to physically submit pleadings and legal documents to court. The process will now be straightforward as a click of a button. It is also available within 24 hours of a day, 7 days a week.
Those of you who also were there before will remember that stamp. You know, every document has to have a... Today, the system will digitally prepare a stamp and stamp your document digitally. Court clerks, court assistants, don't panic. Your work is not going anywhere.
To know that this is a homegrown solution really is something that other state departments and county governments need to copy. Ordinarily, people would want to outsource, and sometimes the outsourced, systems, because they are not homegrown, are not, realistic, and so they die somewhere in the course of implementation.
Those who have been stigmatized by having to come to court, they are victims of violation, but they have to keep coming to court year in, year out. This specialized court, which becomes the third in the country after the one in Chanzu and the one we launched yesterday in Siaya, it now underscores our resolve to address these grave offenses with the urgency, with the sensitivity and the confidentiality that they deserve.
The small claims court started on the 16th of June 2022, and we were very impressed this morning that the court has registered 827 cases as of this morning, and more than 600 had already been settled.
Haya, Martha Koome na uria ni mucirithania munene guku bururi